Can GoDaddy host a Wix website? No, GoDaddy cannot host a Wix website because Wix is a website builder and hosting platform all in one. Wix hosts all websites built on its platform on its own servers, meaning that once you create and publish a website on Wix, it is hosted by Wix itself. Why GoDaddy cannot host a Wix website? Wix is a self-hosting platform. Wix takes care of both the website building and hosting for its users. So, when you create a website on Wix, it's hosted on Wix's infrastructure. No external hosting. You cannot transfer a website created on Wix to an external hosting provider like GoDaddy. Wix doesn't allow users to download or migrate the site files to another hosting platform. What you can do with GoDaddy and Wix: use GoDaddy for domain registration. You can use GoDaddy to purchase and register a domain name, then point that domain to your Wix website. You'll need to adjust the DNS settings in GoDaddy to link the domain to your Wix site. Switch hosting platforms. If you want GoDaddy to host your website, you will need to rebuild your site using GoDaddy's website builder or use WordPress on GoDaddy's hosting platform. Wix websites cannot be directly transferred to GoDaddy's servers.